Day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. All right, so our projects for today start with uh, Alex and Chiara in room 122, Alexa, and Chiara, who are working on math facts multiplication. Sorry, Alexa. We have addition and multiplication, plus we have double digit addition and multiplication. There is also some subtraction on the page, and all of their answers are correct. Great job, girls. Love that we're working on math facts. These are math facts. These are the ones that are going to help us in the academics challenge. So the more you practice, the better you get. And then we're moving on to a super cool science project by Chloe. And I have to say, Chloe, your illustrations are outstanding. So she did a project on matter, solids, liquids, and gases. And what she has shown us is what solids, liquids, and gases look like on the molecular level. That means when we take all the little parts of a solid, all the parts of tiny parts, we call them molecules of a gas and a liquid, what they look like if we were looking at them under a microscope. So solids would have the molecules very tight together, and liquids would have the molecules more loose, and they would flow. And then a gas, firstly, the gas obviously could escape if it was an open system, but they would stay inside in a closed system. And in a gas, the molecules would move differently, kind of not so flowy, but all over the place. And the particles are much more spread out. Now, then we have when something changes from, let's say, a solid to a liquid, or from a liquid to a gas. So if we took an ice cube and we let it melt, it would go from solid to liquid. And if we left it there long enough, it would evaporate and become a gas. All right. So there's a lot to this, Chloe. I could see how much work you put into it. Good work. All right. And then we have some origami. It's a crow made by Altu. Super awesome. I love this. This is an art form, origami, so hopefully one day you'll learn, but this is one piece of paper that was folded a certain way to make an animal. In this case, we have a bird. All right, now it's time for our mystery number and our Wordle. So all of class 208, all of class 216, all of class 204. We also had all of class 217. All get the mystery number and the Wordle. So the Wordle had a prefix and a suffix, and we were working on those. So the word is unselfish, and the root word is self. So un means not. The suffix ish makes lets us know that it's going to be an adjective most likely. And in the middle we have the word self. So this is a person. If you are unselfish, means you don't put yourself first. You think of others first. You are unselfish. So if two people want something, I want something, Miss Minerva really wants something. If I'm unselfish, I let him have it. If I am selfish, I keep it for myself. So, unselfish is a super important part of everything we do here. Why? This word helps us understand the word empathy. When we think about other people first, it helps us understand altruistic, like we learned last week, where again, we put the needs of others in front of our own. Being unselfish is part of being kind. Now, that doesn't mean you always just do for others and not for yourself. It just means that you consider other people when you make decisions. All right. And our mystery number 13. So the 1 is the homonym. My pen just ran out. And the 3 has a digraph. That's right. TH for 3. And now it's time for our Mighty Kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind moment of the day is a shout out to, or from, I should say, to and from Juliana, who made a picture book about being kind, with all kinds of things that are happy images about kindness. And at the very last page, she does put some words, and they just say, be kind. So when you read this, you open it up, you see beautiful pictures, you automatically feel happy because there's pretty colors and pretty pictures. And then you keep going, and you get reminded to be kind. Yes, 100%. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty minded. Every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.